Hello everyone. Welcome to another exclusive series of communication. I'm your guide, coach and philosopher, Professor Dr. Kavita Thapliyal, and I help organization and leaders in understanding not only communication but also navigating the art of cross-cultural communication. Today's series will give you a deeper insight about the importance of cross-cultural communication and how leaders can take advantage of understanding cross-cultural communication for better community engagement, globalization, and making the boundaries get more meaningfully engaged in making a better global atmosphere and the inclusivity of engagement for effective outcome through cross-cultural communication. As you all know, friends, cross-cultural communication is not only about understanding the culture but also understanding the deepest part of the local emotions and the localization through the connection of the language which gets into the mind and heart of people. Cross-cultural communication helps leaders not only to make their brand reach to the minds of the people, but also to understand how they need to retain, maintain, and sustain the customers for better engagement, for better productivity, and better outcome. In the world where there is so much confusion, misunderstanding, when a brand fails to make an impact where lot of money and millions of dollars are invested in the promotional marketing strategy, why do such branding campaigns fail? Have you ever asked a question that why some brands like Netflix, HSBC, Dominos are doing and making better impact across borders? This is because Netflix have used the global and local knowledge in dubbing the Korean dramas or contents to get into the mind and their emotions get cling to what they other cultural diversity is trying to make, and this diversity is coming inclusive in the mind of the cross-cultural environment. When we talk about HSBC, HSBC has given the global touch with the local engagement, the bank that trusts the local needs of the customers. These particular things play a very significant role in making the impact. Similarly, when we talk about Coca-Cola, we talk about Domino's, that how Domino's have not only gone to the minds of people in a diverse culture, it has adapted the taste bud. And through the taste bud of the local taste, they are communicating the cross-cultural communication for better engagement. Hence, in today's global synergy, it is very, very important for all of us to be aware about the cross-cultural markets, to be sensitized about the cross-cultural knowledge, and be very versed with the cross-cultural communication for better engagement, better connect, and better emotional engagement. It is well said, you can take a man away from a country, but you cannot take a country away from a man. The culture touches play a very significant role. And to retain these cultural touches, the knowledge of cross-cultural communication is paramount. Leaders who will imbibe not only the cultural understanding, but also the cross-cultural understanding and cross-cultural communication will always play a very significant role in making global community engage for a meaningful outcome. So with this, I close today's session on the impact and importance of cross-cultural communication. I will come up with detailed understanding how we need to build a stronger cross-cultural communication and create an impact on leadership. With this, I take a sign off. Please like, subscribe, and be engaged with me in this platform for a better cross-cultural communication. So looking forward to meet you soon, dear friends. By the time, you take good care of yourself and keep learning and keep smiling. Thank you, everyone.